The Manta Caribbean Project is a non-profit organization dedicated to taking a multidisciplinary approach to the conservation of manta and mobulid rays and their habitat in the Caribbean Sea through robust science and research, also while raising awareness and providing education to the community and stakeholders.
You may be wondering what it's like to be a volunteer here. Here are some of our current volunteers.
Hi, my name is Jenny Norcross and I'm from Marblehead, Massachusetts. I'm 22 and I just graduated college with a degree in environmental studies focusing on the marine environment with a minor in studio art. I decided to volunteer with the Manta Caribbean Project in order to gain more field research experience while working with some of the most beautiful, charismatic megafauna in our oceans. My favorite thing about being a volunteer is connecting and spending time with the animals and recognizing their individual personalities. I also love living on an island and being immersed in the local Mexican culture with my new volunteer friends.
Hi, I'm Lily Burnett. I'm a post-second year student on a placement year studying ocean science and marine conservation at Plymouth University in the UK. I got involved with the project through the Ocean Giants Programme Scholarship Scheme run by the Manta Trust and Plymouth University. I've had an amazing time with the project so far. I hadn't seen mantas before coming to Mexico and I've been amazed by their size and how graceful they are in the water. Having the opportunity to swim with the mantas and the whale sharks has been crazy, and the island is a beautiful location to be based as a volunteer.
Hi, I'm Amy Jones from Switzerland. I've been passionate about wildlife since a young age and I love to volunteer with organisations that make a real difference to help animals. After working for some years in the biomedical industry, I want to switch careers to wildlife conservation, so I'm doing a couple of internships to gain valuable experience, and I'm so proud to start my new journey as a guardian of the mantas. My favourite thing about being a volunteer here is to be able to be in the vicinity of such iconic species like the manta rays and the whale sharks, and knowing that your daily tasks directly contribute to their preservation.
Hola, soy Iridian González, vivo en Isla Mujeres. Desde muy pequeña he sido amante de la naturaleza. Estudié la carrera de Ciencias de la Comunicación, pero después de trabajar con algunos mamíferos marinos, mi voluntariado de tortugas marinas y ahora con las mantas, me he dado cuenta que mi lugar está en el mar. Mi objetivo es poder transmitir la importancia y el cuidado que debemos de tener para preservar la vida marina. Mi parte favorita del voluntariado con las mantas es poder observar su comportamiento, al igual que interactuar con las diferentes especies que se encuentran a su alrededor.
Most of our work consists of the surveys done during field trips out to the open ocean. For example, we record GPS coordinates of all important observations, such as sargassum, other animals like dolphins and turtles, and manta behavior like breaches, feeding strategies, as well as observed fishing boats and lines.
In these areas, we also perform CTD in the water to measure conductivity, temperature, and depth.
So we've turned on the CTD and then we're just waiting for it to connect to the satellites before we put it in the water. So now we've connected the CTD to the satellites. We wait 5 seconds and then we put it into the water. And the CTD descends down through the water column, and as it does that, it collects data on conductivity, temperature and depth. The conductivity data we then use to find out the salinity, and this data is all passed on to someone who analyses all the CTD data for us. And we drop it down to about 30 metres, maybe a bit more, and then we check that when it comes back up to check it's gone deep enough. And we'll do this multiple times throughout the day. Okay, so now we've brought it back up, we check that it's gone deep enough, and then we'll probably do it another 1 or 2 more times.
Once we are on dry land, we have to complete data entry. We enter all the survey data into a database, which is then used for research and management purposes. We also make sure the organization is present on social media by creating content, as it is one of the greatest tools today for promotion and spreading awareness. Additionally, our photos and videos taken from the field trip need to be processed. Each Manta ID is coded according to a standardized method. This information is then used to monitor individuals over time. We also occasionally help out at a local non-profit on the island by patrolling beaches at night to secure turtle eggs and monitor hatches. When we aren't working, you will typically find us eating local food at Reuben's and Coco Jaguar while working on our Spanish. We love to walk around the island, go snorkeling at La Jolla, spend our nights watching a movie, or learning how to dance salsa. When we have the chance, some of us even love to go scuba diving. We also love to make meals together and eat them on the roof as we watch the sunset.
Hi, my name's Dr. Annie Murray, and I'm the project manager for the Mexican Caribbean project. I've been working with Karen Fuentes since 2018, and I manage the regional database as well as various aspects of the research we conduct here in the Mexican Caribbean.
My name's Bex Carter, and I'm the Director of Operations for the Manta Trust. The Manta Trust is a UK registered charity. Our vision is a sustainable future for the oceans where manta rays and their relatives, the devil rays, thrive in healthy, diverse marine ecosystems. We are so proud to work with the Manta Caribbean project. We've been working with them for several years, helping them to learn more about this special population of manta rays, linking them up with other project leaders around the world doing similar work, and helping them to encourage more sustainable tourism practices in the Mexican Caribbean Biosphere Reserve.
Hi, my name is Karen Fuentes. I am the founder of the Mexican Caribbean Manta Ray Project. We started working and studying manta rays in 2013. I would like to say thank you so much to all our donors, volunteers, the Manta team, government entities, and everyone that has been involved in order to work towards the conservation of these magnificent species like devil rays and manta rays.
Overall, this has been a worthwhile experience, and I can't wait to see what types of positive changes the Manta Caribbean project can bring to the manta rays and their local biosphere. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know more, check out mantacaribbeanproject.org or follow us on Instagram at Manta Mexico Caribe. Adios!